What is short-circuit evaluation?
Short-circuit evaluation is a feature in many programming languages that optimizes conditional expressions. When using logical operators like and or, the evaluation stops as soon as the outcome is determined. This means unnecessary parts of the condition aren't checked, which saves processing time and can prevent unwanted side effects.
How short-circuit evaluation works?
In an and condition, if the first part is false, the rest is skipped, because the whole condition can't be true. In an or condition, if the first part is true, the rest is ignored, as the condition is already satisfied. This makes code run faster and more efficiently.
Why it matters for performance?
Short-circuit evaluation enhances code efficiency. By avoiding unnecessary checks, your programs use less CPU and memory. This effect can be especially significant when conditions involve complex computations or resource-intensive function calls that may not need to be executed at all.
Avoiding errors with short-circuiting.
Short-circuiting can also help you avoid runtime errors. For example, you can check that a variable is not null before accessing its properties. Since the second check is skipped if the first fails, you prevent crashes and make your code safer.
Best practices in using short-circuit evaluation.
Take advantage of short-circuit evaluation by placing the simplest or most likely to fail conditions first. This keeps your code clean and reliable. Remember to be cautious. If your conditions have important side effects, short-circuiting could cause them not to run. Test and structure your logic carefully.